want to keep the muffler. She does want to keep the mufflers.
I'm gonna kill it. It's gonna be a little loud.
We kept your valves.
Did you get rid of the muffler?
No.
The muffler's still in the shop.
Just wait. I was like.
All right, what's up, vlog? We are leaving the apartment. Just got a little workout in. I'm gonna make another video on some car stuff today. Fuck, I don't even know what I was saying. Anyways, so today we are going to take Heather out, the 1LE out today. We got a little I was gonna tell you we're doing exhaust. I wasn't gonna say it, but we're doing an exhaust. Hopefully we can do a little custom exhaust for this. Brianna, she's got the AWE tuning cap back. She's got the Vossen wheels. Soon these wheels are changing, but that's gonna be another video. But fuck, what was I saying? Yeah, so Brianna's got the headers and the intake and the tune coming. This car, completely stock. I kind of hinted at it, but you know, obviously she doesn't know that it's coming. Well, fuck, she knows that it's coming, but she doesn't know what it's gonna sound like. I don't even know what it's gonna sound like. Would love to order the exhaust that I have on Brianna. The tuning is pretty much just like straight pipe, no mufflers, no resonators and whatnot, like I did in my last video, or one of my last videos. But want to keep the mufflers with the little exhaust valves on this car still, so we're gonna go over to a shop and see if we can just do like if they can just swap out the pipes and whatnot, or whatever mid pipes and shit is. So it's pathetic on the loudest mode you can do. So I mean, it's still got a little rumble, but it's kind of I wanted to just do the exhaust as like a surprise, you know, to where like she would get back in her car, and then next thing you know, she just hits the on button and it's fucking loud as shit. But I can't keep secrets, and so I told her and we talked about it. Oh, not, and so we definitely decided like she does want to keep the muffler so she can mess with the little valves and whatnot. Like I said, I don't give a fuck about that shit. Keep it loud all the time, you know. Fuck it. But yeah, so we're gonna do the video, you know, hopefully the install and whatnot goes well today, and then we'll do just like a reaction video. She knows it's coming, but obviously she's gonna be surprised. This is the first time I think I left I left the apartment. This suspension is just ridiculous. Told me she wanted to keep the muffler, and so I'm gonna give it to her. Sorry, Diana, you're gonna love it. Huh? Me? Vans, bro. Bro, it's in the trunk. You wanna come look at dude, I'm gonna die today, I think. Cool. Diana's gonna be pissed. Look at my beard coming in, dude. Bro. What? Look at your haircut, dude. Fresh as fuck. Hell yeah, sexy motherfucker over here, guy.
Oh, you know.
Do you want to say hi to the vlog?
Hi, vlog. Are you recording me?
Yes, I am. Huh?
She has a smile.
Hey.
Wait, whoa.
Hey. And yeah, so he said that, you know, with the piping and the things, so he made it, yeah. That makes sense?
The piping and the thing.
Yeah, so it's good.
Yeah?
Yeah, we're good.
Yeah, you sure?
Yeah.
I'm not gonna kill you. I'm gonna kill you. It's gonna be a little loud.
It's just a little bit. We kept your valves.
Did you get rid of the muffler?
No. We just shrunk it. Really small.
What do you mean?
Like the muffler, we shrunk.
Like the muffler. So let's say like 14, 15 inches.
Yeah.
We decreased the whole muffler
to
by
like
15 inches.
So it's gone.
No,
the muffler
is not
gone. The muffler's still in the shop.
The muffler is
But it's
Yes.
not on my car.
No.
It's still in the shop.
Well, it's being worked on.
I wanted it on my car.
No.
I'm gonna kill him.
It's still in the shop.
Fuck the both of you.
It's still in the shop.
It's still,
Fucking hate you
the
guys.
car is still being
We
worked
took
on.
the 15-inch muffler and made it
A
0.5
zero.
muffler.
Yeah.
Inch.
Yeah, here's the thing. There's the
To
thing.
do all of this,
To do all of it,
there's no point to keep your muffler.
there's no point.
Because to do all this work and have the muffler, it would just sound the same.
It would
There
sound...
wouldn't be another piece to it.
Okay, no, to be honest, we went over the piping and whatnot, and we were gonna do the pipe from the muffler to the cat.
So am I not gonna have my valves?
You do have the valves, so you can still use them. So that's all that mattered, right?
How you doing, guys?
I don't.
So he was the one who was telling me, and he was saying that if we did the pipes to the muffler, you wouldn't really notice anything. And then took out the muffler, but not where the valves are, just like the muffling part. Where the valves, I looked inside the tip, and where the valve was, it was only in one side, and that was actually in the tip that was not part of the muffler.
Interesting.
Yeah, I'm trying to explain to her how you didn't listen to me and you just cut out the muffler, and you know I tried to stop you, but you just did it. You know.
It's okay, he's gonna die. You're safe. You're totally
The
fine.
car is gonna be sounds way.
I believe you.
Alright guys, so we just did the muffler delete. That's all I gotta say. She's excited. Are you excited? Alright guys, we just finished up just a little muffler delete. Oh, listen to that thing. What do you think? Do you like it? It sounds really good. Alright guys, just finished up the muffler delete. Sounds pretty fucking good if you ask me. So I figure I drive her car all the time. Be nice to just give her some a little bit, or give her a little gift back. So yeah, kind of get her reaction. I'm gonna drive with her. I don't like driving this fucking car, just a Honda. But yeah, so just a little muffler delete. You know, nothing too crazy. But definitely give her a little bit more sound than the stock. The stock exhaust on the Camaro, especially on the ZL1, is just fucking pathetic. You know, so just gonna get some rolling shots, nothing fancy. And yeah, so just enjoy, guys. We'll get a reaction of her in the car once we take this car back. So I told you would love it.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Just wait.
Look at that smile.
Oh my god. Good luck getting me out of this fucking car.
Hey, rev it up a little bit.
Where'd you put the car?
Just right out the front. What do you think?
Oh my god.
You happy?
I don't want to get out of this car. It just sounds so good.
It sounds so good behind you.
Oh my god. Oh my god, I can die now.
You can die now.
I was like every time and like, oh my god.
You can't really.
When it does a rev match.
Yeah.
Oh my god. It's just like, pop, pop, pop. I was like at the light, I was just like,
Pop, pop, pop.
it just sounds so good. Like now it's just like, isn't it cool? Like, stop smiling. Shit!
That's funny. When I'm behind you and you're driving normally, I can't really hear it. Like it just sounds like I can hear, but it doesn't sound anything like abnormal.
Right, yeah.
So that's good.
Yeah.
That means you won't draw a lot of attention.
Yep. I wonder what it sounds like if I do the valve thing.
Yeah, probably not gonna change. A little bit.
Oh shit.
Try it. A little less.
How do I check?
You can hear that rumble.
Yeah, you hear the rumble change.
Yeah. Oh, hey, you
That's
still have a little bit of valves. Okay. Honestly, I thought that was gonna be gone. I just didn't want to tell you.
Fucking asshole.
Well, because there's no fucking mufflers.
I know.
There's none.
I know.
It was a muffler delete. I just didn't want to say
It feels
it.
different when I'm driving too. Like,
More
it feels
responsive?
good. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. It doesn't feel as heavy.
Really?
Yeah. It doesn't at all. Feels good. I was like,
Ah, shit.
oh shit. This is gonna get me in more trouble.
Yeah, I didn't want to tell you, but we were just doing a muffler delete completely. I knew that the whole time.
I fucking hate you.
Do you?
No.
Not gonna make a difference at all. Because the Y pipe that he put in for the two tips was just an empty pipe. So you have no muffler at all.
I know.
Let's go for a drive.
Muffler. Let's be real.
He didn't fucking need a muffler. Your reaction is the fucking best part of this video.
Oh my god. I really shouldn't speed on this
Okay.
I don't remember what the cop's name
Damn, that sounds so good.
was. Fuck!
That sounds so good.
It sounds so good.
I almost like the sound of it better than mine.
What?
Yeah,
Really?
yeah.
Fuck. It just,
Yours is
it
more
sounds like
like-
a race car.
Yours is more tame. Mine's like fucking, it rumbles like underneath your
rumbles.
seats.
But you know, that reminds me of like old rumbly muscle cars, and that's probably why I love it.
Yeah.
In yours,
This sounds good though.
mine suits me.
How do you feel about it?
I love it.
Was it a success?
Fucking 100% a success.
Is that good enough for you? It's a little bit better. Cool. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see y'all later.